This will be my 6th ride with the GoPro. This will be my 6th motovlog. This time I'm going to go all the way up towards Camp Nelson. Looks like I have a full tank of gas. I am carrying 2 extra gallons of gas on my bike though. And my allergies are still killing me. This is not COVID-19 cough, this is allergies. It seems like everybody is making a really big deal out of COVID-19. I live in California, close to Fresno, and the Fresno Guard, they have a fighter jet squadron there. And that squadron today took off from Fresno, went down to Porterville. They did low flyovers to all the hospitals. Not sure where else they went, but I know they went through Visalia where I live, and then hospitals in Fresno. So I'm out on the road riding my motorcycle for my mental health. Even though I'm retired, I don't always spend a lot of time at home. It's such a hassle now to go to the stores that I rarely go to the stores right now. Especially like, you know, I like hardware stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, and I like going to the gun store. We have a Sportsman's Warehouse here. But what happens is they only limit so many people to be in the store at a time. So you've got these crazy long lines, people standing 6 foot apart outside the stores in long lines waiting to go in, and that's just not something I want to do. So to keep my sanity, I just get on my motorcycle and head out. I think I'm going to change up the course here just a little bit. I mean, I am going to go to Springville and try to head up towards Camp Nelson. Instead of turning right on this road, I made a left-hand turn. I'm going to go up here to the highway, Highway 198, like I'm going out towards Three Rivers. Because I just remembered when I lived in that little small city of Lindsay, there was a road that I would take to get up to Three Rivers. I think it's called Yoko Valley. If my memory serves me correctly, just up ahead there'll be a kind of a nice slow curve going to the left. Instead of going that way to the left, there's an exit to the right. And that should take me through Yoko Valley. What's this guy doing? What the heck is he doing? Is he drunk? There's something hanging from underneath his vehicle, and it looks like it's the cable with the device that holds the spare tire in place. What is he doing? What is she doing? There it is, Yoko Drive. Goes through Yoko Valley. Heating wave wasn't really actually a motorcycle rider. He wasn't wearing a helmet. He was on a little scooter type motorcycle. So it's one of the local farmers. They have their little tiny scooters that they ride around here to get between their fields. I gotta pass this truck. He's hitting his brakes on the turns, and I don't want to go slow through the turns. Oh well. Please turn, please turn, please turn. Yes, thank you. There's a house around here somewhere. couple of homes, especially one. It's like right near that mountainside with all those boulders. There was a good earthquake. Man. And it's not this house. I think it's a little bit farther down the road, but it is right pretty much smack up against the mountainside. If some of those boulders let loose, it would take the house out. It's right there. Man, look at that. Those houses would get destroyed, annihilated. You'll see the bike racers come through here. These are all the orange trees, orange grove. We have Valencia oranges, and we have navel oranges. There are so many trees in this area, the city of Lindsay, that if you're flying overhead in a plane, some people say during the blossoming that you can smell the orange blossoms from up in the sky in an airplane. I've never tried it. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not. Okay, this quaint little town is called Tonyville, and of course it was named after a guy named Tony, and I knew him. But Tony was an interesting man. Hickory Street. My daughter lives down that street. Should I go stay high? Yeah, maybe I will. Let's just see if she's there. See if my grandkids are there too. I don't know, there's a car out front. Yeah, she's home. Say that again. What the what?
What the heck? You have a GoPro? Hi.
Hey.
We're just leaving to work.
Hey. Ah, crap.
I was gonna get a haircut.
I'll give you a haircut. Look. Look. Here.
Look at Grandpa has pants like you.
I'll give you a haircut right now. Come here.
Look at Grandpa has pants like you. Do those unzip into shorts? Oh, they have knee pads.
Yeah.
Aiden does have shorts like that.
I'm recording you guys.
Are you really, Dad?
Yeah. Hey!
He has a GoPro.
I'm heading up to Camp Nelson. You're a good guy. You're a good guy. Hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, I went up like, I was gonna go to Camp Nelson, and I thought I'm gonna go Yoko Valley first, and then when I got here and then I got to Hickory, I went, my daughter lives there. Should I go see her? Nah. And I turned, no, but I turned really quick and came here. But you both going to work? I did. Now I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna go up to Camp Nelson and up into the mountains. Yeah. He cracked me up. So I decided to come by really quick and visit you because you never visit me anymore, and you disowned me, and you use COVID-19 as an excuse.
We want to do a movie night over there.
Okay, this person wants to go 2 miles an hour, and I don't. Okay, here we are, downtown Lindsay. Truck, please get out of my way. That device right there that they stuck here in the middle of the road, they're used to blow air to the orange groves, the orchards during the cold winters when it starts to freeze. Apparently those are supposed to increase the temperature around the trees to keep them from freezing. So here we are downtown. Go this way. Not much to this city. There we go. There's some olive trees. So in this valley we produce olives. We also produce oranges, walnuts, pistachios, avocados, you name it. We grow it. Cotton, peaches, plums, apricots. It's been said that this valley feeds the world. Yep, those clouds are rolling in. I hope it's not wet up there. Well, the golfers are out golfing. They're all not worried about COVID-19, and they're not worried about the governor's stay-at-home order. I'm not worried about the governor's stay-home order. More golfers, there they are. Anyway, this crazy governor the other day on the news said that if the civil unrest in California continues, he may have to declare martial law. You know, 69 years of age. I've lived on this planet a long time. I've been through 5 pandemics and I've been through a war, so I am a combat vet. And if he wants to declare martial law, so be it. But, and I could be wrong, but I'm thinking if he thinks there's civil unrest now, when you look at the areas where people are protesting, the beaches and some of the outside some of the restaurants and those things, and then the recent quarantine protests that they had in the Bay Area, when you consider the amount of people that live in the state of California, those protest crowds are minuscule, tiny, a spit in the bucket. But if he declares martial law, I would hope that he would really see some civil unrest then. And the military, if any of you guys out there listening to this motovlog of mine who are in the military, I was in the military. There is no way I would do to civilians as a military person what this governor wants them to do, which would be like, you know, force them to stay quarantined in their homes. So here's my motorcycle, and that's what it looks like with the 2 cans of gas on the back, and they're locked in place. So if somebody wants to take them, they're really going to have to work at it to take them. It's the Fat Bob 114 FX FBS. So got bugs all over it.
Yeah.
Okay, almost home. That was kind of fun riding behind those two other bikers. Kind of reminded me of when the group that I ride with goes out. And that group has not, that group of riders that I ride with, we have not gone on a ride in a while. And that's because they're all affiliated with the local Harley-Davidson store that shut down for a while. Okay, hey kitty cat. Here I am, home sweet home. Come on, garage door. I'm hungry, I want to eat. Here's one of my reloading press, Harley lock and load press. And then I have a RCBS rock chucker press. And then here's a bunch of alcohol and lanolin because I make my own lube for the gun cases when I'm working with the cases. Here's all my different powders. Here are my 9mm, 45mm, 30 caliber, 223, 5.56. I have some 50 Beowulf. I have a 50 Beowulf rifle. 45 Colt. My scale, powder drop if I decide to do them hand loads. Primers, contraptions to clean brass. This cutter here is unique. I take 5.56, 223 brass. I'll cut them, and then on that rock chucker, I'll shape those into 300 blackouts. Here's all my dies and stuff. I have my 45 Colt dies here, my 300 blackout dies here, 50 Beowulf dies here, and the powder drop. Here's my 5.56, 223 dies. Powder drop. This is my 9mm dies, my 45, and then my 40 Smith & Wesson dies. Here's all my different pieces of equipment for reloading and that kind of stuff. My reloading books. Anyway, here's my garage, soon to be somebody else's. Of course, all this stuff's going to go with me. They just get to have the garage. Okay, take this glove off. I am done for the day. Let's turn this puppy off. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention is I saw this on the internet. I made these little stands, and what they do is they hold my motorcycle helmets. And this is the motorcycle helmet that I was talking about. That is a little bit bigger than the one I'm wearing now. And it is it's a HJC. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it with this right here. I'll probably have to mount it this way and then come across with an arm this way for the GoPro. But I want to put one on that one and see if it's noisier than the helmet I'm wearing right now. Now it's time to turn this puppy off.